Oh my God. It's really very boring. So who will like to go live in Bigo? I think we need one. We need to buy some sabanaan. We need to buy some music. We need to pay for it, I think, huh? Even my shorts video, sometimes copyright. I can never love again. And I think all of the hmm? Break your heart. You not in TikTok anymore? No, Miss D, I don't like. Oh, I don't like. I don't have viewers there. Really, when I go live, I have just 3, 4, 1. I don't know what to do there. Afternoon, hosts and YouTubers. Jose Fantastic Vel, hello. And you? You are in TikTok? Who else in TikTok? You can follow. No, I just post in TikTok. Promotion? Promotion from OF or what? The way of Angelitron. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Hmm. How are you, everyone? Make your heart. No, only post normal things because TikTok is also strict. Yeah, no, it's very strict also. I'm going to give you a very deserved like. Oh, thank you very much. You can be a member of me. The way of Angelitron, you can join my channel membership.